The Ayodhya dispute is a political, historical, and socio-religious debate in India, centered on a plot of land in the city of Ayodhya, Uttar Pradesh. The issues revolve around the control of a site traditionally regarded among Hindus to be the birthplace of their deity Rama. 1. The history and location of the Babri Masjid at the site, and whether a previous Hindu temple was demolished or modified to create a mosque. The mosque there, the Babri Masjid, was destroyed during a political rally which turned into a riot on the 6th of December 1992. A subsequent land title case was lodged in the Allahabad High Court, the verdict of which was pronounced on the 30th of September 2010. The earliest historical record of a mosque comes from Jai Singh II, a Rajput noble in the Mughal court, who purchased the land of the mosque and the surrounding area in 1717. In Buddha's time, 600 BC, the present-day Ayodhya was called Saketa and it was one of the 6 largest cities of North India. According to a local tradition recorded by Francis Buchanan and Alexander Cunningham, Ayodhya became desolate after Rama's ascent to heaven and Vikramaditya revived it. In modern times, a mosque was located at the supposed birth spot of Rama, which sat on a large mound in the center of Ayodhya, called the Ramadurga or Ramkot, the fort of Rama. The mosque bore an inscription stating that it was built in 1528 by Mir Baqi on the orders of Babar. Lala Sita Ram of Ayodhya, who had access to the older edition in 1932, wrote, "The fakirs answered that they would bless him if he promised to build a mosque after demolishing the Janmasthan temple." The first known report of a mosque appears in a book Sahifa-i Chihil Nasai Bahadur Shahi, said to have been written by a daughter of the Emperor Bahadur Shah I (1643 to 1712), and granddaughter of Emperor Aurangzeb, in the early 18th century. Jai Singh II, popularly called Savai Jai Singh (1688 to 1743), purchased land and established Jai Singhapuras in all Hindu religious centers in North India, including Mathura, Vrindavan, Banaras, Allahabad, Ujjain, and Ayodhya. The Jesuit priest Joseph T. F. Entheller, who visited Awadh in 1766 to 1771, wrote, "Emperor Aurangzeb got the fortress called Ramkot demolished and got a Muslim temple, with triple domes, constructed at the same place." The first recorded instances of religious violence in Ayodhya occurred in the 1850s over a nearby mosque at Hanumangarhi. Since then, local Hindu groups made occasional demands that they should have the possession of the site and that they should be allowed to build a temple on the site, all of which were denied by the colonial government. In 1946, an offshoot of the Hindu Mahasabha called Akhil Bharatiya Ramayana Mahasabha (ABRM) started an agitation for the possession of the site. In 1949, Sant Digvijaynath of Gorakhnath Math joined the ABRM and organized a 9-day continuous recitation of Ramcharitmanas, at the end of which the Hindu activists broke into the mosque and placed idols of Rama and Sita inside. Nair, known for his Hindu nationalist connections, refused to carry out orders, claiming that it would lead to communal riots. Both the Sunni Waqf Board and the ABRM filed civil suits in a local court staking their respective claims to the site. In the 1980s, the Vishwa Hindu Parishad (VHP), belonging to the mainstream Hindu nationalist family Sangh Parivar, launched a new movement to reclaim the site for Hindus and to erect a temple dedicated to the infant Rama, Ramlala, at this spot. In spite of this, a large number of Karsevaks or Sangh Parivar activists reached Ayodhya and tried to attack the mosque. On the 6th of December 1992, the VHP and its associates, including the BJP, organized a rally involving 150,000 VHP and BJP Karsevaks at the site of the mosque. The report found a number of people culpable in the demolition, including BJP leaders like Atal Bihari Vajpayee, Lal Krishna Advani, Murli Manohar Joshi, then Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Kalyan Singh, Pramod Mahajan, Uma Bharti, and Vijaya Raje Scindia, as well as BHP leaders like Giriraj Kishoria and Ashok Singhal. In July 2005, terrorists attacked the makeshift temple at the site of the destroyed mosque. Several years later, mosques were built in the Faizabad district, in which the pilgrim city of Ayodhya falls. Since 1949, by Indian government order, Muslims were not permitted to be closer than 200 yards away to the site. The main gate remained locked, though Hindu pilgrims were allowed to enter through a side door. The 1986 Allahabad High Court ordered the opening of the main gate and restored the site in full to the Hindus. Hindu groups later requested modifications to the Babri Mosque and drew up plans for a new grand temple with government permissions. Riots between Hindu and Muslim groups took place as a result, and the dispute became sub judice. The political, historical and socio-religious debate over the history and location of the Babri Mosque is known as the Ayodhya dispute. In his Communal History and Rama's Ayodhya, written prior to the Asir researches, Professor Ram Sharan Sharma writes, Ayodhya seems to have emerged as a place of religious pilgrimage in medieval times. This suggests that there was no significant Hindu temple at the site of the Babri Mosque, or that it had ceased to be one before the mosque was built. In 1950, Gopal Singh Visharad filed a title suit with the Allahabad High Court seeking injunction to offer puja, worship, at the disputed site. The site of the Ram Lalla idol would go to the party representing Ram Lalla Virajman, the installed infant Ram deity, Nirmohi Akhada to get Sita Rasoi and Ram Jagutara, and the Sunni Waqf board to get the rest.